A lot of people have jaw issues, whether it be they're wearing their teeth away, or their jaw itself is actually hurting. They can't open wide. TMJ isn't a one size fits all type treatment. There are a lot of different splints and guards that people can wear, night guards they can wear, and just changing their habits will also help to reduce some of their symptoms. You just need to figure out exactly what it is that's causing your problem, and then we should be able to fix things from there.